Welcome back to MacNab Chemistry. Today we're going to have a look at chemical cells, part 5, the topic being batteries. Okay, so first of all you need to understand that a battery is formed by connecting two or more cells together in series. So let's write that down. So first point, a battery is formed by connecting two or more cells together in series. Okay, the next thing you then do is the voltages of the separate cells is then added up to create a bigger overall voltage. So the voltages of the cells in the battery are then added up to make a bigger overall voltage. Okay, so I'm going to draw this now. Okay, so for example, okay, I'm going to draw 3 cells next to each other and then we're going to add up the voltages. Okay, so 3 cells, there's my first beaker, there's my second beaker, there's my third beaker. Okay, 2 electrodes going into each beaker. Like that. Okay, we could put our voltmeter up here. We're going to connect that to that one there. Connect that one to there. Okay, then we're going to connect there to there, and we're going to connect that to that. Okay, at the moment my circuit still isn't complete because I haven't got any electrolyte in, so at the moment I've got nothing in here, no electrolyte, so there's nothing to carry the charge through the solution. So I'm going to put my electrolyte in here. There we go, in the first one, in the second one, in the third cell, like that. Okay, that's the positive end, that's the negative end, so that makes that a positive, so that must be a negative, that must be a positive, that must be a negative. There we go. Okay, so let's say that this cell here delivers 2 volts, this cell here delivers 1 volt, and this cell here delivers 2.5 volts. Okay, the overall voltage then that this battery will deliver would be 2 plus 1 plus 2.5 volts, which is 5.5 volts. Okay, so the overall voltage delivered by the battery equals 2 volts plus 1 volt plus 2.5 volts, which equals 5.5 volts. Okay, so that's a battery. The final thing that we've got to consider, are there are 2 types of battery. Okay, so 2 types of battery. Okay, we've got number 1, rechargeable batteries. Okay, and number 2, non-rechargeable batteries. Okay, and the main thing to note about this is that rechargeable batteries can get plugged into the main circuit and they can have their voltage effectively put back into them, which can be reused again. Okay, whereas non-rechargeable batteries, over a period of time their voltage just disappears and there's nothing you can do about it. Okay, now you have to understand why this happens. Okay, so the reason it happens is that in non-rechargeable batteries, so in your non-rechargeable batteries, the electrolytes get used up and there's no way of reversing the chemical reactions that took place in these electrolytes. So let's just write that down. In non-rechargeable batteries, the voltage decreases over time. The voltage decreases over time as the electrolytes get used up. Okay, in rechargeable batteries, I should say, in rechargeable batteries, reactions can be reversed by plugging them into an external circuit. There we go. So let's just see if we can get, there we go, that's it. Okay, so there we go, chemical cells part 5, batteries. So we take individual chemical cells, we link them together and we add the voltages together, and then we've got two types, rechargeable batteries and non-rechargeable batteries. The rechargeable batteries get plugged into the mains and the chemical reactions are reversed, whereas your non-rechargeable batteries, this can't happen, and slowly over time the chemicals that make up the electrolyte get broken down and disappear. There we are. Okay, thank you for watching. Please try and remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification to stay updated.